We're gonna read a story. Say hi. It's Mommy and Haniah. It's reading time with Haniah, and we're gonna read Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. This is a library book. We just checked it out. It's our first time reading it. Back up, back up, back up. Okay, here we go. We're gonna read a story about a cat. Hi. Okay, it says, Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. White. Pete loved his white shoes so much that he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Yeah. White shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? What color is a strawberry?
Red.
Red. Now his shoes are going to be red. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song. My, my, my. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Yeah.
Red shoes.
Red shoes. Oh no. Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. Now what color are his shoes? What do you think? What color is a blueberry?
Blue.
Blue. Yes. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He just kept walking along and singing his song. What do you think his song's going to say? I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Yeah. Oh no. Pete stepped in a large pile of mud. Ew. Now what color are his shoes? What color is mud?
Gray.
It's brown. His shoes are going to be brown now. Oh, did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along singing his song. How's the song go? I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Yeah. What's he drinking?
Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee is brown. Oh no, Pete stepped in a bucket of water. All the brown, all the blue, and all the red were washed away. Now what color do you think his shoes are going to be? White! Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along singing his song. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Squeak, squeak, squeak. They squeak when they're wet. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep on walking and singing your song. 'Cause it's all good.
Moshi.
More sing. Do you like this book?
Moshi.
Pete the cat. I love my white shoes. Okay, let's sing it. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Yeah.
Hi.
Okay.